If your research involves information on renal dialysis, CMS can also provide data that can be helpful. Let me show you how it's done in CMS by DTK. Alright, we'll enter the database. I'm going to pull up the worksheets form template, and on the worksheets form template I'm going to search for renal, and I'm looking for the worksheet right here on hospital renal dialysis department statistical data. There are different columns: outpatient, training, and home. I'm specifically interested in the outpatient, and here we have utilization, average times dialysis reused, percentage of patients reusing dialysizers. That information right here in row 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 I'm interested in for regular and high flux. And so let's see if I can find this in CMS by DTK. Alright, I'm going to select fields. I'm going to look for the form description, the worksheet name that contains renal. And that brings me to S5, renal dialysis. Right here, line code 1, number of patients in program. And so I was interested specifically in the lines, I believe 6 and beyond. Number of stations, number of days and year dialysis furnished. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So those rows for columns 1 and 2, regular and high flux. Let's see if we can find this. So I am going to add a filter, and my line code should start with 005. And here we got the number of days furnished, regular and high flux. I'm going to select both of these. And I'm going to edit my filter for row 6. And row 6 gives me the number of stations, and I want regular and high flux outpatient. And I was also interested in the number of stations. We have that, treatment, capacity, and utilization, so 7 and 8, possibly 9 and 10. Here's row 7, regular and high flux, and let's do row 8, and I'll select regular and high flux to utilization, and I'm going to view my data. I see nothing here because most hospitals are not going to show it, and so I will select the filter on not 0, so not equal to 0 on the utilization, and here we have the utilization. I can also sort on this same utilization, and I would like it descending because high utilization is better. And here we see some data input errors in the CMS data, 100% utilization, 98. And so this is what the hospitals reported on the utilization for the high flux. Let's look at the utilization for the regular. and I also don't want that to be 0. And sort, rather than by the high flux, sort by utilization regular. And here we got the utilization on the regular. Very nice. And this is how you get information on renal dialysis.